This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Do this now. Check headset firmware and app version because mismatches break permissions. Once done, enable developer mode and USB debugging so your device communicates. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable. If using PC sideloading, connect via a quality USB cable. Install ADB drivers on the computer and confirm 2 GB free storage. These steps prevent permission and transfer issues later. So don't skip them, and move to the next phase when all green lights appear. You now perform the core repair actions methodically. First, clear cache and app data, then force stop CX File Explorer. That removes corrupted temporary files. Next, revoke storage permissions and regrant them while the headset is unlocked to reset access tokens. If still failing, use ADB to capture logs, run a dblogcat and save output to CX logs. TXD, because logs reveal permission denials or file system errors. Once you have logs, compare timestamps to your last successful session. That narrows the cause quickly. You finish by reinstalling CX File Explorer and rebooting the headset. That often resolves lingering service crashes. After restart, test copying, deleting, and opening files to confirm normal behavior. If issues persist, sideload a stable APK or restore the headset to a recent working snapshot only when other fixes fail. And if things go wrong, check your saved CX logs. TXD for permission denied or storage mount errors. Those exact messages tell you whether it's a permission, driver, or file system problem to address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.